In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about how you could recover any permanently disabled Facebook or Instagram account using these three legal methods. I would never ever want my Facebook or Instagram account to get banned again, because once any one of these accounts are banned, it's very difficult for you to, get them back. My accounts were banned some time back, and it was a pain for me to get back my accounts or to get access to my accounts again. Try any one of these methods and it should work for you. The first one is get Meta verified support. So Meta verified is a specific service provided by Meta through which you get proper support from a human being. To get Meta verified support, all you have to do is subscribe for Meta verified. So let's log into Facebook, and then you click on your profile icon to the top right, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings, and then you do a search for Meta verified out here. Select the first option. You get a pop-up like this. You could select your plan out here for Meta verified and subscribe. It's pretty cheap. After you subscribe, you get premium support. So when you get premium support, you could actually interact with a human being directly, and they could quickly look into your account and see if they can unban your account. The second method involves legal escalation. You can get in touch with the Meta grievance officer. So you could just do a search for grievance officer and Meta in India or America or maybe Pakistan or maybe Malaysia, wherever you are. If you scroll down a bit on this page, you could see that there is an option to fill up a form. So you could click on this link, and then you could select Facebook. If you're trying to unban your Facebook account or your Instagram account, whatever it is, select the option, proceed further, follow instructions, get in touch with these guys from here. And also, if you're in the US, you're not getting this option to file in a complaint with the grievance officer with Meta itself. You could go ahead and file in a consumer complaint within your state's attorney general's office. States AGs have dedicated consumer protection divisions that can legally open an inquiry for unjust bans on your Facebook or Instagram accounts. The third method to legally unban your account is the Meta Account Recovery Hub. So you could just do a Google search for Meta Account Recovery Hub. Once you do that, you get a lot of suggestions. Click on the first link. You get to the page for meta.com. And then you scroll down a bit, and then you get a lot of options for Facebook and Messenger account recovery, Instagram and Threads account recovery, and stuff like that. You could select the option out here that best suits your case, and you could take it from here. You also have an option to get in touch with support through this tab. Utilize this option. If you have any further questions, I'm all ears. Do send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.